2024 was in many ways a year of crisis, and unfortunately what we saw was an intensification of social polarisation. But we know that social cohesion is one of the main predictors for disaster resilience and success in navigating difficult times. And that's very much what this project is about, is a positive intervention about how do we keep communities not only resilient but really connected to their common purpose and the purpose of the university as those types of pressures on communities and universities intensify.
Universities have been coming under an unprecedented level of criticism and scrutiny. And this is a topic that we need to address.
Over this past semester, we've sought to meet with people referred by their colleagues in small group settings, then with students through a number of activities, and then finally brought people together from different groupings in a collaboration with Culture Club here at the University of Sydney, really using the arts and humanities in different ways to bridge these differences within groups and give people a great experience of being together.
Sydney University is all about fantastic research and teaching practice, and part of the richness of that is generated by difference of view and different perspectives and nurturing and generating that.
The networks that we get to build, the friendship, the relationships, the understanding of social differences again.
Now that we are out here in the campus and mingling again with one another, so I think it's really on connecting with people once again.
It was really clear in these conversations that a lot of students feel distressed by some kinds of disagreement on campus, sometimes over political issues. And we think in philosophy that disagreement is, while sometimes distressing, really valuable. And we think it's an important skill to be able to disagree well, to be able to listen well to people who hold different points of view, to be able to raise objections in a respectful way, and to be able to pool our knowledge and work together in improving our beliefs.
And to hear the insights of students coming from different disciplines, from different parts of the world, all here together on campus. And one of the things we brought out in the session is the importance of forming and sustaining relationships across difference. So it was awesome to be part of a session where we were doing that in practice as well.
I was really excited over the course of the seminars and workshops to see a change in the students' affect and the way that they were engaging. They became very animated. I felt that they were learning real skills and techniques to take out of that workshop into their own classrooms and probably into their own lives.
I think that there's an appetite for open-ended, welcoming activities and spaces that give people the opportunity to connect.
So Culture Club was born from that opportunity where, we could have these amazing coming togethers where we could talk about arts and culture. The staff could engage with staff that they probably hadn't met before in these amazing sites across the university.
The things that we all do, and we all do well, but we all do it within our pockets of excellence, in our centres of comfort. And how do we break that down? How do we make it accessible for all? How do we become a community outside of who we know?
Universities now more than ever need to be proactive in thinking about their role in democracies and finding ways to bring together very different interests. We need to build the capabilities and skills that mean that we can navigate difference, not only navigate it but learn from it. What is central to university is that people think differently, and that this, when done well, can be incredibly generative.
It's also an incredible opportunity for universities because we, as communities, we have this capacity and we have the people who can really make change collectively and really intervene in the crises of the moment.